Okay, the next problem that we're going to go over is in the polynomial review section. Okay, so some of these problems you may or may not have a calculator on. It will tell you on that subset of the test. But let's just pretend that number 12 is the calculator portion of the exam. Okay, so you have a problem that's asking about what are the zeros of the polynomial of this particular function, of the polynomial function. Okay, so it's asking our keyword is zeros. Remember, we look for keywords in our word problems. But if you don't feel like doing the algebra behind the problem, you can simply utilize your calculator. And this is one of those cheat codes I was telling you about earlier in the video. So let's pull up our calculator and begin. Okay, so without having to do any math, we're going to graph this function first. So go back to the y equals field, clear out your equations, and graph this function exactly as it appears. X squared minus 4x minus, let's get this up a little bit, 21. Okay, so now we're going to hit graph. Remember, our zeros of our graph are where the graph intersects the x-axis. Okay, so now we can visually see this. We can point this out without having to go to our trace tool. If it was in between something, two values, and it was kind of hard to tell, you can simply go to your trace tool and it'll tell you. But here we can tell the first zero is at -3. The second zero is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So -3 and 7. Let's see if one of those answer choices matches up. There we go. Answer C is going to be the one that we choose.